Hi, I'm Ian Cole, the Technical Director of the Indoor Air Quality Association, bringing you an IAQA tech tip on permissible exposure limits. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA for short, was first formed in 1971. In that same year, they established permissible exposure limits, or PELs, to prevent impairment of health or functional capacity of employees. Expediency played a role in OSHA making a blanket adoption of the 1968 threshold limit values from the American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygienists. As a side note, most of today's current PELs are still based on those 1968 levels adopted in 1971. The PELs are exposure limits based on an 8-hour time-weighted average unless otherwise noted. You can find a table of over 500 PELs by doing a quick internet search for Table Z1. The PELs are the law. An employer cannot expose employees to environments exceeding the PELs without providing personal protective equipment. Generally speaking, the PELs are viewed as being quite lenient, especially when applied to a non-industrial workplace like an office. Many years ago, a popular standard recommended dividing the PELs by 10 to get a number more appropriate for indoor air quality work. PELs are based on exposures to people who are healthy and of working age. PELs are also based on a 40-hour work week exposure. Therefore, PELs should not be applied to a housebound elderly woman, for example, or a family with a newborn infant. To learn about other types of exposure guidelines, like those that are designed for chronic exposures to the entire population, consider taking the IAQA University class titled Exposure Guidelines. Visit the IAQA website for more information.